Media devices with screens have the potential to improve education and learning. However, studies have demonstrated the negative effects of screen media use on a number of cognitive areas such as executive function, sensory motor development, and academic outcomes. Some milestone examples include bringing the hands to the mouth at 0 to 3 months, following objects with eyes in all directions at 3 to 6 months, transferring objects from one hand to another at 6 to 9 months, scribbling with a crayon at 12 to 18 months, and building a block tower using 3 to 4 blocks at 18 through 24 months. The role of an occupational therapist in milestone achievement includes equipping caregivers with prone positioning recommendations to facilitate motor milestone acquisition. A study found the duration of time that an infant spends prone to play significantly affected the acquisition of the following motor milestones: rolling, crawling on abdomen, crawling on all fours, and sitting up. Some positive outcomes related to screen time include school readiness. Apps and TV shows can teach colors, shapes, and numbers. Although screen time can be beneficial, there are some negative outcomes associated with it, such as children can easily become reliant on devices, which minimizes their need to communicate. And while holding a device, a child is unable to explore the world around them with their hands. Devices significantly reduce hands on learning opportunities, which are crucial for milestone achievement. Tips and tricks for reducing screen time. Avoid getting in the habit of handing your child your phone when they are distressed. Once this cycle begins, it can be difficult to reduce your child's dependence on devices. Save screen time for when you absolutely need it, when you're sick, or when a babysitter needs help. Try swapping your phone or iPad for these toys: puzzles, which can be interlocking or matching; cognitively stimulating toys, toys that do something; shape sorters, cause and effect toys, if I push this button, then this happens; and musical toys. These toys can help promote palmar arch development as well as strengthen fine motor, visual motor, and bilateral skills. Try swapping the TV for tactile exploration opportunities such as playing with sand, Play Doh, or slime, books, pop beads, Legos, string beads, and coloring. Try swapping apps for real life games such as Simon Says and Peekaboo, which target executive functions, and following directions.